Science Lab! Today, kids, we're going to be learning about bees! Alright, so here we are in a flower field. This is where bees pollinate flowers. They suck the nectar out, and then bring it to their hive to make honey. Alright, so when the bee gets there, he has to feed the queen. This is what the queen is. When I say that, I imagine of a queen. This is the only female bee. The queen gives off a queen pheromone. If the queen produces hungry lazy, that's what can probably kill it.
Oh no.
Let's ask the dogs if they know more about bees. Can I have something to eat, please? You can have something to eat during lunch. What was that?